Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I don't know what it is, but there is just something so comforting to me about having cookies as a snack in the afternoon. And usually it doesn't really give you much in the way of nutritional value, but I'm happy to say that that is all changed for me now thanks to these Olyra cinnamon tahini biscuits. These biscuits have an amazingly satisfying taste and texture. They're kind of like a cross between a cracker and a cookie. If I had to compare them to anything, I would have to say that they remind me a lot of graham crackers. The whole grain content in these biscuits ups the protein to 5 grams and the fiber to 4 grams, which is something I am really happy about. I think that the whole grain flavor also goes super well with the cinnamon tahini flavor of these biscuits. I have found them to be really great for dunking into whatever beverage I'm enjoying with them, preferably a nice hot cup of tea. If you are a cookie dunker like I am, I think that you will agree with me when you try these. These biscuits might seem plain and humble and nothing really fancy, but for me personally, they are perfect to cap off my afternoon. And that's my point of view.